IFM News. Lokal.
Idol Dance, come in.
Nagasan iti sesyon ti Sangguniang Palunsod iti resolusyon nga naputa manipod iti Laoag Central Elementary School nga mangkontra iti plano nga panakipatakder iti park ken walkable space iti solar iti Laoag Central Elementary School ken ti abay iti sinking bell tower. Tinadakamat nga solusyon ket na ipaima kini Vice Mayor Carlos Parinas sa Migasakit Medisar iti session iti laing nga kalman na linahon iti surat no bali na sorok na sangapulo dagitay pointers iti pagadalan karamo iti stakeholder no apay nga opusenda kontraenda iti panakadevelop ti lugar iti maysa nga pagadalan. Tinadakamat nga resolusyon ket binasa mismo sekretariat ng istakit mangiganti kadwan no nilagiti pointers na mamangkontra iti dakamat nga plano nga mang-develop nga kinisponsoran ni Apo Konsehal Dijon Lao.
Resolution number 00 to series of 2025 of Laoag Central Elementary School. The resolution respectfully opposing the construction of a pocket park and walkable space within the premises of Laoag Central Elementary School. Whereas Laoag Central Elementary School is an institution dedicated to providing a safe, secure, and conducive learning environment for its students. Whereas the proposed construction of a pocket park and walkable space within the premises raises multiple issues and concerns that may negatively affect the welfare and safety of students, teachers, and staffs, as the academic focused learners is the highest priority of the school community. Whereas the stakeholders of Laoag Central Elementary School hereby respectfully present the following objections and grounds for opposition. Noise disruption. The presence of people within the school grounds will cause noise resulting in loss of learners' focus and interest in studying. Security risks. There is a high risk to school property and belongings of teachers, staffs, and learners due to increased public access. Traffic congestion. And the Tashi State is a one-way street. The project will worsen traffic congestion during learners' drop-off and pick-up hours with excessive vehicle horn sounds disturbing classes. The Tashi State is a busy main road that experiences heavy traffic flow throughout the day, and using it as a drop-off and pick-up point for learners will cause severe congestion and pose safety risks to students and motorists. In the case of street beggars and vendors, the pocket park will attract mendicants and ambulance for street vendors, creating disorder and potential safety hazards. Number 5, garbage and sanitation issues. Increased foot traffic will lead to more litter and waste, affecting the school's cleanliness. Number 6, loss of privacy and learning conduciveness. The open space will compromise privacy and create distractions for teachers and students. 7, ventilation and heat problems. With additional walls or structures, airflow will be restricted, making classrooms hotter and less comfortable. Number 8, impact on alumni projects. The removal of or alteration of the existing gate and park projects funded by alumni may encourage alumni support for future school improvements. Number 9, school's primary purpose. Laoag Central Elementary School is an educational institution, not a tourist attraction, and should maintain an environment conducive to learning. Number 10, limited space for sports and physical activities. Converting the existing open space will significantly limit the area available for sports and physical activities, which are essential for the holistic development of learners. And Laoag Central Elementary School has a proud history of producing athletes who have achieved gold medals and represented the city, province, And even the country national and international competitions, it is imperative to preserve this space to continue fostering athletic excellence. Number 11, compliance with safety standards. According to the National Building Code of the Philippines, the minimum space allocation for assembly areas is approximately 0.28 square meters per person. At present, the open space barely accommodates the total school population based on this standard. Any reduction will result in non-compliance with safety and capacity requirements, thereby endangering the welfare of learners, teachers, and other stakeholders during emergencies, drills, and large school gatherings. Number 12, reduction of parking space. Converting this parking area into pocket park and walkable space will severely limit or eliminate available parking, forcing vehicles to occupy adjacent streets by causing heavy traffic, noise, and safety hazards for learners. The lack of proper parking could obstruct emergency access for ambulances, fire trucks, or service vehicles during critical situations. 13, overall safety concerns. The security and safety of children remain at risk with the presence of outsiders within the school activities. Now, therefore, we, the undersigned stakeholders, students, parents, teachers, staff, lecturers, alumni, student leaders, and concerned citizens respectfully oppose the proposed construction of a pocket park and walkable space within Laoag Central Elementary School premises, and urge the concerned authority to reconsider and halt its implementation and conduct a comprehensive consultation with all stakeholders.
Nakatidugan kay din aya.
Okay, dito Idol Bernard. Dito
Session time 10.
Pointers, dito rason. No apay nga kontraenda bale 13 dagitay rason no apay kontraan ti eskwela dati plano nga mangkontra iti park ken walkable space dati importante dati kay kunana ket for educational purposes hanga pang tourism dati nagakamat nga lugar ta amo temeten nati diocese in Donarda dati ngalote for educational purposes so nga dati pa'y amken pa'y ipagadalan ang mga anta dati panapatagda dati itigil buildings ma-compromise dati safety requirement building code na dapat 28 square meter iti area dati pagadalan kada kita establishmento adala banad umuna dati pa'y ringgor, safety, traffic congestion panag-create ambulance vendors dati pastasor kada dumapay nagkastamatan maawanton iti privacy na kasparigan masalito dati open space na pagpasyaran kasi may isang parke, iti nakamat na lugar. Dito ikip na ipasubli, iti community chair and tourism, isikip maaga sa ito'y resolution, ngayon pa sa Laoag Central Elementary School, iti sanggunyang panunsod para itinda pa ng mukos, dito nakamat na plano, mamang develop, iti Laoag Central Elementary School. Idol, Dennis Delipio, Tatak, RMN.
Maraming salamat, Idol Dennis. Ito na nakamat na report.